Naming a variable is a critical aspect of writing a clean, understandable and manageable code. So here are some of the best practices for variable names. First, use descriptive names for a variable. Choose names that clearly describe the variable's purpose or the data it holds. For example, total sales is a good name of a variable rather than just TS. Second, keep variable names concise but meaningful. So include context to make the variable's use clearer. Like, if you are defining an age for the user, name of the variable should be user as age as compared to age. Third, follow naming conventions like snake case for variables. So you have to follow a consistent naming convention. Fourth, avoid using ambiguous names. Fifth, avoid using Python reserved words. For example, false, class, finally. Sixth, Python is a case sensitive language.